Hey YouTube, Justin and Cherish here. Figured I'd show you how I'm doing some garage organization in my metal, or they call them steel buildings. It's like a steel building kit. It's got the metal roll-up doors, roof and all, and then I put the spray foam insulation and I painted it black, hung some LED lights up. I got the air lines running pretty much throughout the whole building. I got drops here and there. There's a drop right there, but I'm getting there slowly but surely, and I'm not really satisfied with the metal cold wire that I have strung out through there. It's kind of just sagging everywhere. I'm going to fix that, or probably hide it with some hang up some treated OSB, because I probably will have a water hose in here, when I'm doing detail work and stuff like that on automotive. But my plan is probably to hang up some OSB or something, and it'll hide all that. But anyways, so I'm gonna show you what I did here. I didn't get this idea or anything else from anybody else. I just kind of came across it when I was looking for some kind of way to hang up some beams where I can hang these panels up, which they're made by Wall Control. They're 16 wide, 32 long. And bought them off Amazon. You can get a 2-pack for, I think it's like $30 if I remember right. But anyways, so Lowe's sells these brackets. I got a box of them right over here. It's these right here. They're 68 cents a piece at Lowe's. They're made where you can build fencing and stuff like that with 2x4s. But I figured this is a cheap way to kind of be able to hang these organization panels up, instead of buying, galvanized square tubing and cutting it and probably welding it or whatever to these beams here, because those beams up there are welded as well. Well, not these pieces right there, but the ones that's like in the middle, you can't see because of the lights, but they're welded to the trusses up here. But this is the easy way, I think, of doing it, and it's fairly cheap. So what I did was, as you can see there, I measured off to where I can have it from the ground up, actually from the bottom of this square tubing up, because there ain't no telling if this concrete might be a different measurement from there to over there. Shouldn't be, but you might be off just a little bit. So I figured the square tubing and go up will be pretty close. So yeah, what I did was I measured up both sides, screwed this in here and here, those 2 screws there. What I used was stainless steel screws. They're bit tip, so they screw right in, so I don't have to worry about them rusting or anything like that, which I shouldn't, since this is all galvanized stuff. But just in case, because you might have some moisture still in the wood. Plus, I think the stainless steel might have a higher shear strength as far as when I put a bunch of weight on this thing. But I've actually hung myself, I grabbed it kind of like a monkey bar from up there, and that's my first piece I hung up, was up the top. When I hung up there, and I'm almost 200 pounds, and I kind of bounced on it, and it wasn't even moving. So if I could do that, then I don't even know if these panels will hold 200 pounds or whatever, but with double a board here and a board there, that's about 400 pounds that I know it will hold. So it ain't gonna go nowhere. But like I said, stainless steel screws, I bought those off Amazon as well. I think you can get 100-pack of those for $7 if I remember right. A little 1/4 inch, whatever. I think I got another here. Might as well show you while I'm taking a video of it, Yeah, I know my toolbox is a mess because I'm doing all this garage stuff. But that's them. Just a flathead style screw, bit tip, stainless steel. You get a pack of 100 of them. It's kind of hard to believe that 100 will fit in a small little bag, but that's what they sent. I originally bought those screws to hang my LED lights up, and that's another thing you can do fairly cheap. Bought them off Amazon. They're 8,000 lumen each. 8-foot stick, and I think I got like a 10-pack for right at $200. So can't really beat that either. But yeah, I figured I'd show you this little bit of garage organization that you could do. I'm doing 3 panels in each section. And I'm gonna have another panel over here, or actually I'm gonna hang 2 over there where I can hang my air tool, like, you know, blow guns and stuff like that over there, tire pressure gauges and stuff. But I figured I'd leave this right here. Go ahead and take a video and leave this one empty. You kind of see what I did. And these metal building kits that they brought out here and built this building, every one of these sections they measure differently. So this right here might be 56 across, or in between the 2 poles. Over here might be 54.5 in between those 2 poles. It's just, they're jumping all over the place. So that's something to expect. I didn't expect it, but I'm telling you to expect it if you do buy one of these metal buildings. But yeah, I do need to take a video of this metal building and the company I bought it from, because I'm having some more problems, some more issues that I'm not happy with. But I will take a video of that one of these days. But yeah, if you got any questions or anything, there's an idea or a little tip that you can, if you have one of these metal buildings, you can't figure out a way to hang these wall organizations or whatever, because, you know, it's all different, you know, in between the posts are different sizes, and, you know, you would think you can take a 4x8 sheet of plywood hang up there. Well, I can't, because, you know, a 4x8 sheet won't fit in between there if you stand it straight up. I mean, you can go a long ways, but then it's just going to be, the joints and all going to be all over the place, and, you know, it shouldn't be that way. So this is the best way I can actually do this and make it look halfway decent. So if you guys got any questions, just let me know. Y'all have a good day.